Hey everybody, Photoman here, back with another video. This time we visit a really cool movie location from 1993. Canada Olympic Park, also known as COP, and formerly known as Paskapoo Ski Hill, is a ski hill and multi-purpose training and competition facility located in Calgary. It is currently used both for high-performance athletic training and for recreational purposes by the general public. COP was one of the venues for the 1988 Winter Olympics, being the primary venue for ski jumping, bobsleigh, and luge. There used to be 3 ski jumps. Now there's only 1 remaining. It was one of many Calgary locations for the filming of the 1993 movie Cool Runnings, starring the beloved Canadian actor John Candy.